Mission Control, we've got a big storm coming in and we need the Fenetex team on it now. Don't forget we have to make sure the screens are airboat tested, Gator approved, and the most Florida-proof screens on the planet.
People ask us all the time what kind of wind speed our screens can withstand. Well, here in Florida, to test this, you get an airboat.
Everyone knows that our hurricane screens are thoroughly tested and approved by the state of Florida. But what about our other screens? First up for testing is the clear screen. These are really popular in restaurants. We passed a Category 1 hurricane, now we're into a Category 2 hurricane. Oh, it looks like the wind gauge just broke, but the screen is still going strong. Even after all that, the screen still functions just fine. No damage at all. Next to test is a shade screen. Well, we don't have the gauge anymore, so we're just going to go full throttle. Let's see what happens. Same results here, no damage, and the screen works great. We're going to leave this on the building for a long-term test. This kind of performance is what you can expect from a Fenetex screen, and these aren't even our hurricane screens. We're super happy to know that even our regular screens can take 100-mile-per-hour winds. When we say we make the best screens in the industry, we mean it.